Good morning, everybody. We are heading out onto the Scioto today. Do some duck hunting and goose hunting. We're gonna float it. First time I've ever done this before. So hopefully we'll get something. Hopefully it'll be fun. Going with my cousin Ross today. You'll see him in the video. Getting a little bit later start than we thought we would. But we're gonna get out there, kill some ducks. Let's get her done. Oh, we're here, Scioto. Looking really nice for today. Gonna drift about 15-ish miles down the way. My car's parked down there. Gonna just do a float, be fun. Got the kayak all loaded up, ready to go, and we are gonna get some ducks today. Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome. We'll be seeing most of the trip. Hopefully the battery doesn't die, but other than that, let's get to it. We got the one, boys and girls. He's Pretty good sized fox squirrel. We want the ducks though. Ducks and geese. Let's do this. Another eagle. Yep, just one took off from one of the branches over there and went down that way. Yeah. Three. You can get those. There's a beach right there. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Yep. First time doing that.
It's coming out.
I can't tell. Oh, it's a farm goose. What the f? I think that's what it is, unless it is a swan.
That can't be a native or like a wild swan.
Oh, it is a farm goose.
Hey, buddy.
Oh no, it is a swan. Oh boy. Don't. Yeah, you better get away, you piece of shit. Get out of here. What the f is a swan down here? You better run. You gotta put up your shit.
I was about to try to fight you.
It was. That's exactly what it was doing. I would keep an eye on that.
Grow faster, damn it.
Just not want to come down.
I don't know what that was. It was like Camo.
Yeah. Haven't gotten lucky yet. Got about 5 more miles till we get to my car for pickup. Yeah, so hopefully get something by then. Maybe even a little bit more. A couple squirrels. Maybe some duck. So we'll see. Hey everybody, camera died last little bit of the leg of the trip, but you didn't really miss much, honestly. No more squirrels. We did see drake and a hen mallard, but they were too far out in front of us to get any kind of shot or even to sneak up on them. Did see a small teal. Teal are not in season currently, which is unfortunate. But we did see a whole bunch of other stuff throughout the trip. We did see quite a few bald eagles, pileated woodpeckers, other kind of other birds, kingfishers, of course. But yeah, other than that, pretty fun overall. I also got the canoe with me right now. It's on the front. But other than that, I will see you guys back at the house.